Maisie, 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 Maisie. Maisie, Maisie Mouse. Maisie, Maisie Mouse.
Hello, Maisie. Hello, Cyril. Are you having your lunch? Oh, those sandwiches look good. Have you forgotten something, Maisie? Ah, lemonade. Ha-ha! That lemonade is very fizzy. There you go, Cyril. You drank that very quickly, Cyril. Oh, what was that? Ha ha ha! Cyril has got hiccups. Oh dear, how do you get rid of hiccups? You could try putting your hands up over your head, like Maisie. Is that better? Oh dear. You could stick your arms out, Cyril, and close your eyes. Is that better? Oh dear. Ah, I think Maisie has had another idea. A drink of water. That might help your hiccups go away, Cyril. Oh dear. Well, that didn't work either. A roly-poly. Well, that might work. Nope, that didn't work either. Try jumping up and down. Keep going, Cyril. Oh, where's Maisie gone? Is she in the playroom? Is she upstairs? Ooh! Ha ha! There she is! Hooray! Your hiccups have gone! Well done, Maisie. You gave Cyril a fright and scared his hiccups away. Thank you, Maisie. It's time to finish your lunch now. Oh no, Maisie. You haven't got hiccups now, have you? Oh, ha ha. Very funny. Goodbye, Maisie. Goodbye, Cyril. Goodbye, Hiccups. Oh.
Maisie, 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 Maisie.